So this month, the Rug Laundry will be supporting my good friend Craig Day, who is raising money for Ava's Little Stars Foundation. Craig's a local chap. He lives here in Ammanford, and you've probably seen him running around, getting some miles in, training ready for the event that he's doing. The challenge is the 4x4x48 challenge, which is 4 miles run every 4 hours for 48 hours. So it's a crazy challenge, and fair play to him for even attempting it. So he's raising money for Ava's Little Stars. We wanted to get involved. We will be donating £5 for every rug that comes into us now between now and the date of the event, which I believe is March the 6th. So if you need your rugs cleaning, bring them down. Like I say, we'll donate £5 from each rug to Ava's Little Stars. Of course, if you don't need your rugs cleaned at the moment and you'd like to donate, please do. There will be a link below so you can do so. Thank you very much, and please support as much as you can.